Yes.
What's step one, you say?
Step 1, wash your hands.
Alright, so now that our hands are washed, we're just gonna get into it. And out of the 15 flavors, what blizzard are we making today?
We're gonna be making the blizzard of the month, which is double fudge cookie dough. So we're gonna grab a cup any size we want, and what the first step you do is you only fill it halfway with ice cream, just like that. Now that we have the ice cream, we're gonna put the ingredients in it, and that is cookie dough, cocoa fudge, and chocolate chunks. Okay, and then the next step is to grab one of these things and put it in the cup like that.
What's this thing called?
This is a collar, and it's so that we can put the ice cream in it and have it all contained, and so that it doesn't fly everywhere when we mix it.
This is the anti-mess guy.
Yes. Then you put more ice cream in it, just keep going, and then there you go. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna mix all the ice cream. We have a pedal down here that mixes this, that, thingy, and then we're gonna mix it. So here we go. Just like that. What I want to do is put a spoon in, get all the ice cream off the edges of the collar, and then take the collar off, and voila. Here you go, sir.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, thank you. Now, folks, is how you make a blizzard. So, just keep it blizzard-y out there.